Rosa again. Holiday is here, it's around the corner, and there's a lot of activities going around, celebration, eating, lots of food. And we suggested, or my friend suggested for the dessert, has to be fruits. One of my contact friend, Dr. Manny Rocha, said that fresh fruits are good for your digestive system. So I picked up a pineapple to present to you, one of the most famous dessert. All we do is select the ripe pineapple. First we have to pick up the leaves. If it is easy to pull it, that means the pineapple is ripe. And we have to smell it. And when it smells sweet, that means the pineapple is ripe. So the first thing we have to do is wash this and ready to peel off this skin. We have to cut the top. Then cut the bottom. It's kind of hard, so whatever knife you have, a real sharp knife, that will do it. Then we have to take off the skin. See? Pineapple has a lot of ice. See all those ice here, but we don't have to cut it deeply because we want to see the direction of the ice, where the ice is going. And later on, when we took up the ice of the pineapple, we have to do some art, so it will be artistic. See, it's kind of hard, but it's okay. Once you have a good knife, I will suggest a steak knife would be good. See, a lot of ice. I haven't seen fruits like this with so many ice. See, it's all over. Now we have to take off some of this. And see, and we could see exactly the direction of the ice where it's going through, it's lining up. And now what we are going to do to take off the ice of the pineapple is take it out like 2 at a time. We will find out which direction they are going. See? We pick up from the right, then left. We just follow the direction of where the ice is going. And so, this is the result of it. See, the direction is we took the ice here, and it is really, really very artistic. We could wash this as we finish taking off the ice of the pineapple. I don't know how many ice, but it's a lot of them. See how artistic is it? Very artistic. Now, we could cut it in different way. We could cut it this way here, and we could cut it this way. Start at the bottom. We cut it in circle. So we could serve this like this, or we could serve it in small pieces. This pineapple smells so sweet. That means it's really, really ripe. We could serve it this way. See how nice it looks? And sometimes we could slice it into pieces. Slice it when you are going to eat, or when you are going to serve. You could slice it into pieces. Some of us, we uses table salt to blend the taste of the pineapple, the sweetness and the salt, the sour. Put some salt on it, and it's ready. It's so sweet. They say that after you eat a pineapple, do not drink water, because I don't know what chemical will it change, but the water will not taste the same. So this is all for today. Thank you very much. Thank you, and have a nice holiday. Thank you so much.